2-in-1 MIG MMA Welding Machine, IGBT DC Inverter Welder with automatic wire feeding, digital display and high-efficiency cooling system. The 2-in-1 MIG and MMA Inverter Welding Machine is a versatile and high-performance welding solution designed for both professional welders and home workshop users. Combining MIG wire welding and MMA, stick, arc, welding in one compact device, this powerful welder delivers strong, stable arcs, excellent weld penetration, and precise control across a wide range of metal materials. Built with industrial-grade transformers and high-quality copper wiring, the machine ensures consistent power output and superior welding strength. Whether working on low-carbon steel, medium-carbon steel, alloy steel, or other common metals, it provides smooth, clean, and reliable welds for repairs, fabrication, construction, and maintenance tasks. At the core of the system is an advanced IGBT inverter module, which significantly increases energy efficiency while reducing power loss during operation. The high inverter working frequency allows faster response, more stable current output, and lower overall heat generation, resulting in longer machine lifespan and improved welding performance. The welder features a clear digital display for accurate real-time monitoring of current and settings. With two adjustable operating modes, manual MMA welding mode and MIG gas welding mode, users can easily fine-tune parameters to match different materials, thicknesses, and welding techniques. With a manual welding current adjustment range of 20 to 120 A, the machine offers excellent flexibility for both light and heavy-duty welding tasks. The built-in automatic wire feeder ensures smooth, continuous wire feeding for MIG welding, while voltage and wire feed speed can be easily controlled through convenient adjustment knobs for precise performance. Designed for safety and durability, the welder includes multiple intelligent protection systems, such as overcurrent protection, over-temperature protection, and overload safeguards. These features protect both the user and the machine while ensuring stable operation even during long working sessions. An efficient high-speed cooling fan with large blades provides excellent heat dissipation, preventing overheating and maintaining optimal working temperature. This allows continuous welding with minimal performance drop, even in demanding environments. Thanks to its compact size, lightweight construction, and portable design, the welding machine is easy to transport and store, making it ideal for workshops, garages, construction sites, mobile repairs, and DIY projects. The welder is not limited by welding position and performs exceptionally well at various angles, making it suitable for flat, vertical, overhead, and complex joint welding. Key specifications: welding modes: MIG, wire welding, and MMA, arc welding. Voltage: 220 volts. Output current range: 20 to 120 A. Inverter type: IGBT DC inverter. Current type: constant current. Power factor: 0.93. No load voltage: 65 volts. Rated output voltage: 230 volts. Working materials: low carbon steel, medium carbon steel, alloy steel. Cooling system: built-in high-efficiency cooling fan. Wire feeding: automatic built-in feeder. Display: digital screen. The 2-in-1 MIG MMA IGBT inverter welding machine offers powerful performance, precision control, safety protection, and multi-material capability in a compact and energy-efficient design. It is the perfect solution for users seeking a reliable, versatile, and cost-effective welding machine for professional and personal applications.